Hello, hola, welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today we're going to talk about the 3 highest yield REITs that is paying out high right now that can change your life. You ask, what is REITs? REITs, remember I told you it's the real estate investment trust. So come on in. Again, REITs is one of the best ways to have passive income, real estate investment trust, because it's money coming into your account without doing anything. Lots of benefits. With REITs, there's no managing tenants, worrying about toilets, worrying about tubs, no down payment on properties. So REITs, again, is one of the best sources to get into if you're not wanting to dive in and do all the legwork, but you want to make money off real estate. REITs are companies that own real estate, and they collect the rent and pass along their profits to the shareholders in the form of dividends. REITs are required to pay 90% of net income to shareholders. The first highest paying REIT is Presidio Property Trust. The ticker symbol for that is SQFT. SQFT. Presidio Property Trust pays 10 cents per share each quarter, which comes out to high dividend. The second is American Finance Trust. The ticker symbol is AFIN. AFIN is the ticker symbol for American Finance Trust. American Finance Trust is paying 9.2% high yield. And American Finance Trust is places like Walgreens, AutoZone. They have over 925 properties, and most of the time they're 95% occupied. They pay 70 cents per share in dividends. If you don't quite understand this dividend stuff and this share stuff, just research the companies that I said. I always say do your due diligence because I am not a financial advisor. Again, these are some stocks that I've realized that are growing, that has been proven for over 20 years. And this is what makes you wealthy. Again, that compound interest. And you want to focus on trying to speed up your wealth. These are definitely some key tips that I'm giving you to help you out. On this channel, we want to continue to give you tips and tools. So always stay to the end. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know where you are in your real estate. We're going to make this one short. I have 3 of the highest yielding REITs. We're going to go over them. After we go over them, you do your due diligence. Check them out. Something you should really look into investing in. Before going into the 3rd highest yielding REITs, I want to give some shout outs. We have some new subscribers and I want to give some shout outs. I want to give a shout out to Queen Wealthy, Transforming Youth, Marcelina Millman, Raheem Johnson. And I'd like to also give a shout out to Khan Al. I may be pronouncing your name wrong. I'm sorry if I am, but I want to give you a shout out and thank you. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking the videos. Continue to watch so that you can become a better you. So if you'd like to be mentioned in the next Rena MoMoney video, subscribe now. Click on the little belly thing so you won't miss the good stuff that I got for you. I randomly select subscribers and mention they'll give a shout out on the next Rena MoMoney video. So congratulations again to those that are subscribing, that are clicking on the button to watch, to learn, to help yourself to become a better you. I've decided to make the slogan, Become a Better You, our inspiration. You and I, our inspiration. So if you want some Become a Better You products, look down in the description below. There's a link where you can order a cell phone case, you can order t-shirts, and you can also order a towel. Get you a Become a Better You t-shirt or a cell phone case. Very inspirational. If this real estate is stomping you or you feel like you need a little extra help or extra push and the videos is just not quite enough, then schedule a coaching call with me. Look down in the description below and you can schedule a 15-minute session or a 30-minute session and get all your specific questions answered. So again, all I ask, if you've received any valuable information on this video or a previous video, please click the like button or subscribe if you haven't already. So we're going to move right into our number 3, the last highest paying REITs. The 3rd and final highest paying REIT is Global Net Lease. Global Net Lease ticker symbol is GNL. GNL. Global Net Lease has over 306 commercial properties in Europe and so much more. Global Net Lease pays 42 cents per share. There you have it, the 3 highest yielding REITs. You invest in compound interest and you are on the right track. The key is time. So I hope this video was helpful. I want to give you the 3 highest paying REITs that's currently right now. Remember, I tell you on this video, we'll talk about how to make more money and save money. We'll do some stocks. I don't want to get too deep into stocks because one of the things I'm not a financial advisor, but when you have companies that are proven for 20 plus years, you got to do your research and check into it. I invest in REITs. I love REITs. Again, if you start in your 20s or 30s, that compound interest is massive. But if you're in your 40s and 50s, don't worry, keep going, go ahead and start. Take my advice on this if you like. If you don't, do your due diligence. Just saying that these are some highest paying REITs right now. Because I'm not a financial advisor, I didn't want to go too deep into stocks. But I just want to tip on it right quick, give a couple tips out. AMC, which is, of course, you know, the movie theater. If you're into stocks even a little bit, you've noticed that AMC is rising, rising, and rising. They're doing the gamma squeeze and the short squeeze is coming around the corner. If you don't understand stocks completely, I would give a quick tip on that because it's going to actually create history. This is a history stock moment with AMC and GameStop, and you all probably heard about it back in, I think, January or February on the news with some of the hedge funds. But to make a long story short on the stock end, I just want to speak real quick on that stock. AMC, I'm currently in AMC. I would say if you're in AMC right now, just be prepared because some people on this channel are also already into stocks. Again, we're going to talk real estate. We're going to talk stocks. Let me know in the comment section below. I like to know exactly where you are in your real estate or if you need a little bit more in stocks. I won't give a lot of advice in stocks because I lose at that sometime myself. I've made a lot of money off of it, but it comes and goes. It's very volatile. You make some money, you lose some money. So that's the reason why I don't want to go too far into stocks. I'm not a stock expert or a stock guru. I do know my real estate and I know a lot of ends of real estate. So if you came on this channel specifically for real estate, I'm your girl. If you want a little something here and there to give you a little something extra, little tips, a little something different, then we can talk stocks. Comment in the section below and let me know if that's something you want me to touch on or you already got your own thing going. Okay?